I'd like to request the contractors or the authority over here within this stretch to exhibit the work, and we expect the best quality and timely accomplish of this work. Once this construction started, we as a Southern Youth, we are ready to assist our in whatever way we can. Once this construction full swing started, that is our message to the contractors and the government also.
From our side, our DC and our revenue officer from our side, we are doing everything we can to impress upon our NHIDCL as well as the Fortune Group to expedite the works. But till now, as we can all see, the progress is not very satisfactory. But from time to time, we are carrying out inspection, and also our headquarters office also from their side, we are doing everything we can to ensure that the work is completed within the stipulated time.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.